In primetime news this evening, no approval. Authorities refute giving green light for Jacks Hill residential development.
Former contractor general in defense mode after damning allegations in Parliament.
And chairman of St. James High School clears the air about stolen CXC papers. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, it's a Wednesday, so check your pockets. There's a slight increase in gas prices. Plus, the new head of the World Bank wants to strengthen ties with Jamaica. Those and more in the business day.
All right, and Jermaine Brown is here to give us a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports Wednesday.
Thank you, Herman. Well, the Reggae girls, they are in camp as they continue their preparation for next month's World Cup. And there was an injury scare in training today. We'll tell you about that a bit later on.
I'm not even going to attempt to sing, so I'll just say Romain is here with the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. The windy conditions that we have been experiencing are expected to continue over the next few days. Dry conditions, not much in terms of any rainfall in the forecast over the next few days.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what has been your experience using ride-sharing services locally?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.